Welcome to the Ultimate Human Anatomy Quiz, True or False Challenge. Are you ready to test your knowledge of the human body? We've got 50 mind-blowing true or false questions that will challenge everything you know about anatomy. Let's start. The human body has 206 bones. That's right. As adults, we have 206 bones. Babies actually have more. The smallest bone in the human body is located in the ear. Correct. It's called the stapes, and it's smaller than a grain of rice. The human heart is located on the right side of the chest. Not quite. The heart sits on the left side of your chest. The femur is the longest bone in the human body. Absolutely. The femur, or thigh bone, is the strongest and longest bone. The liver is the largest internal organ in the human body. Spot on. The liver is crucial for filtering toxins. Humans have 3 lungs. Oops. Humans have 2 lungs, not 3. The human eye can detect over 10 million different colors. Amazing, right? Our eyes can distinguish between a huge range of colors. Hair and nails continue to grow after death. Common myth. It only looks like they grow as the skin shrinks. The human brain has approximately 86 billion neurons. Yes, that's 86 billion. The brain is more complex than we can imagine. The skin is the body's largest organ. Correct. And it's also the first line of defense for your body. The human stomach is located above the diaphragm. Not quite. The stomach sits below the diaphragm in the abdominal cavity. The heart pumps blood through a network of arteries, veins, and nerves. Close, but nerves don't carry blood, just arteries and veins. The spleen is responsible for filtering blood. Correct. It's like your blood's own personal filter. The average human body contains about 10 liters of blood. Too high. We actually have around 5 liters of blood. The appendix is located in the lower left side of the abdomen. Wrong side. The appendix is actually on the lower right side. The human ear can detect sounds as low as 20 Hz. Yes, those are the lowest sounds we can hear, basically deep bass notes. The gallbladder stores bile produced by the liver. That's correct. The gallbladder's job is to store bile for digestion. The tongue is the strongest muscle in the human body. Almost. The tongue is strong, but the jaw muscles take the prize. The human body has 24 ribs. Exactly. Most humans have 12 pairs of ribs. Blood is red because of hemoglobin, a protein that carries oxygen. You got it. Hemoglobin gives your blood that bright red color. The human skeleton is fully developed at birth. Not quite. Babies are born with more cartilage, which hardens into bone as they grow. The pancreas is located behind the stomach. That's correct. The pancreas plays a key role in digestion and blood sugar regulation. Adults have more bones than babies. It's actually the opposite. Babies have around 270 bones. The brain uses about 50% of the body's energy. Not quite. The brain uses about 20% of the body's energy, not half. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right lung to accommodate the heart. Exactly. The heart takes up space on the left side of your chest. Human bones are 4 times stronger than concrete. Impressive, right? Our bones are much stronger than they appear. The kidneys filter about 50 liters of blood per day. Close. The kidneys filter about 180 liters of blood every day. The pituitary gland is known as the master gland of the body. Correct. The pituitary gland controls many other hormone glands in the body. The cornea of the eye is the only part of the body with no blood supply. That's right. The cornea is one of the few parts of the body without blood vessels. The average adult heart beats about 60 to 100 times per minute. You got it. A healthy resting heart rate is usually within this range. The human body has only 2 types of blood cells. There are actually 3, red, white, and platelets. Teeth are part of the skeletal system. Teeth are considered part of the skeleton system even though they are not bone. The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different smells. Amazing, right? Your nose is way more sensitive than you think. The liver regenerates after injury. That's correct. The liver is one of the few organs that can regenerate itself. The human body has 5 senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. Not exactly. We also have balance, temperature, and more subtle senses. The large intestine is shorter than the small intestine. Correct. The small intestine is longer, but the large intestine is wider. Humans have 2 kidneys, but can survive with just 1. You got it. People can live with just 1 functioning kidney. The cerebellum is responsible for muscle coordination and balance. Exactly. This part of your brain helps you move and stay balanced. The human body cannot produce vitamin D. Actually, your skin makes vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Red blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. That's right. Bone marrow is the body's blood cell factory. The thymus gland shrinks after puberty. Correct. It's largest in childhood and shrinks as we age. Human nails grow faster in cold weather. Nails actually grow faster in warm weather, not cold. The average lifespan of a red blood cell is 120 days. That's right. Red blood cells live for around 4 months. The human body consists of more bacteria cells than human cells. Yes. Bacteria actually outnumber our human cells by a lot. The trachea connects the mouth to the stomach. The trachea connects your throat to your lungs, not your stomach. The hypothalamus is involved in regulating hunger, thirst, and sleep. Exactly. This tiny part of your brain controls many essential functions. The optic nerve carries sound information to the brain. Nope. The optic nerve is responsible for vision, not hearing. The human skeleton renews itself every 10 years. Yes. Your skeleton completely renews itself over time. The medulla oblongata controls involuntary functions like breathing. That's right. This part of your brain keeps you breathing without thinking about it. The human body has more than 650 muscles. Correct. There are over 650 muscles helping your body move every day. Don't forget to share your score and please subscribe to our channel for more content.